notice the Suburban's presence before you even hear it. The 2026 model stands big and deliberate, a vehicle that's built to carry more than passengers. Gear, luggage, maybe even a boat. From the grille to the rear hatch, it wears a refreshed, squared-off face that still feels familiar, but sharper lines and updated lighting give it a confident, modern stance. The long wheelbase, tall profile, and sleek roofline show that it's ready for both family road trips and serious work. Under the hood, Chevrolet offers strong engine options. The standard 5.3-liter EcoTec 3 V8 delivers around 355 horsepower and 383 lb-ft of torque, paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission. If you need more muscle, the 6.2-liter V8 boosts power significantly for heavier towing and faster acceleration. For those who value torque and efficiency, there's also a 3.0-liter Duramax turbo diesel that provides excellent pulling strength and better fuel economy on long drives. Space is where the Suburban truly shines. It's one of the largest SUVs on the market, stretching over 226 inches long. That means plenty of room for passengers in all 3 rows, plus class-leading cargo space. Even with all seats up, there's generous storage in the back. Fold the rear rows, and you unlock up to about 144 cubic feet of cargo capacity. Perfect for bikes, camping gear, or moving boxes. Towing is another strong suit. Properly equipped, the Suburban can tow up to around 8,000 pounds, depending on the engine and setup. Features like hitch guidance, trailer sway control, and an integrated trailer brake controller make it easy to hook up and control the trailer safely. Inside, the Suburban feels upscale and comfortable. The cabin uses soft touch materials, wide seats, and clean design. The new 17.7-inch touchscreen dominates the dashboard, offering easy access to navigation, media, and multiple camera views. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and there are plenty of USB ports and rear seat media options for families. It's designed for both comfort and practicality. On the road, the Suburban feels big but composed. It's built for stability, with suspension tuning that absorbs bumps smoothly. The steering feels confident, and despite its size, it handles predictably. If you go for the Z71 package, you'll get off-road suspension, skid plates, and added ground clearance, making it capable beyond paved roads. The available camera views and parking aids are a blessing when navigating tight spaces. Fuel economy depends on which engine you choose. The diesel offers the best efficiency, while the V8s focus more on power and towing. Real-world numbers vary with load and driving style, but overall, the Suburban balances strength with reasonable performance for its size. Safety has taken a big step forward in this generation. You get features like automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot alerts, and a 360-degree camera system. These assist features help make highway driving and parking much less stressful. Trim levels range from practical to luxurious. The base model offers solid value, while the LT and RST trims add more comfort and style. The off-road ready Z71 gives extra capability, and the High Country sits at the top with premium materials, a powerful 6.2-liter V8 and all the tech features. Prices start in the $60,000 range and can climb much higher with options, reflecting its size and premium feel. Practicality remains key. The Suburban's massive footprint demands attention when parking or driving in tight spots, but features like surround view cameras and parking sensors help a lot. Maintenance costs are higher than smaller SUVs, but its durability and capability make up for it. The 2026 Chevrolet Suburban is built for those who need space, power, and versatility in one package. It's ideal for large families, road trip lovers, and anyone who tows regularly. If you want a vehicle that combines comfort, technology, and strength, the Suburban continues to set the benchmark. If you enjoyed this overview, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Tell us which trim you'd like to see in the next in-depth test drive. We'll take the Suburban out on the highway and show you what it's really like to live with day to day.